In this video, I'm going to show you how to create calendar events and manage notifications for that event. So what you can do is you can use the calendar and navigate to the date on which the event is going to take place. All right, so this event is going to take place on Wednesday, February 9, so I'm just going to click on that date. And I get a pop-up window that allows me to set specific settings for this event. Now usually I click on more options. That brings me to the full page. Create a sample event. You can set which days it's going to be on, what time, is it all day, does it repeat. This event will not get saved until you click on the blue save button, but I want to show you the notifications. There are two ways to receive notifications. Either a notification on your desktop, if you have the calendar synced with your phone, you can get notifications on your phone as well. But you can get notifications that way, or you can have them emailed to you. Then you can determine how many days, weeks, or whatever before the event you'd like to get notified, and you can add more than one notification. So make sure that's on sample calendar. All right, so this notification, let's do one day before 9 a.m. So the next day prior to 9 a.m. or the previous day prior to 9 a.m. I save that, and now I have a sample event. It's going to notify me, and anyone who is subscribed to this calendar, they should get a notification if you've added them to the event. And that is how you can create events and manage notifications.